The blade was scattered over this ruined world. Find the pieces, forge them at the hand of the Black Hammer, then return.
Alright, find the 7 pieces of the Armageddon blade. Is the thing gonna help me find out where they are? Yep, they are. It's these things. Armageddon blade shard. Oh, I'm back here. Cool. Now I am going to go find the other 2 that I know of. But besides those, I'm probably going to look up a guide to find out where they are. Because there's a lot of areas in this game, no joke. Hello.
So, the final battle is before you. You are wise to seek help from old Vulgrim.
Alright, so...
Let me know if I can help. You are as wise as you are powerful.
Sell these.
An excellent choice.
Charge types of the crossblade. Reap wrath souls from Vigil. No thanks.
You are as wise as you are powerful.
Okay, I thought you could like heaps of them, but no, you can only buy 1 from him.
Oh, you like that?
Oh, you like that? It's so weird when he says that. Alright, so I might upgrade this because it seems to be pretty powerful.
You drive too hard about.
Cool. Thank you. So the pieces seem to be in areas that are right before big boss areas. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to look up a guide for this just so I know I don't miss any, but I do know where 3 of them are. So that means there's only going to be 3 remaining. So once again, I'm sorry if you guys don't like me looking up guides, but I'm not the type of person to just explore a huge world for tiny things. Like, seriously, they're pretty noticeable in the Shadow Realm, but even then, they're still hard to find from a distance. Oh! It tells me. Okay. I didn't realize that. Okay, I don't need to, do that then. Sorry, I was gonna look up a guide for all this. And then I just realized that. I feel bad now. I'm also really looking forward to how much damage I take now. Because it supposedly takes off a lot of damage when people hit you. Oh, it actually tells me where it is. That's cool. Oh, is it where I think it is? Is it right here? Because I was meant to go here before. Is there anything different? Yep, that would explain it. Boom. Oh, that explains so much. And here we are. It's up on here.
What would you ask of this home?
Oh, Uriel.
This is no ambush, horseman. I come alone. I, Uriel of the Hellguard, champion of the White City, call you, horseman, to Nex Sacramentum.
Fool.
I lay claim to your life before the Creator. Will you dishonor this law as well?
Why?
Because Abaddon said you understood honor, and because he was the best of us.
The death oath cannot be broken until one falls by the hand of the other. I accept.
Oh shit.
You'll go nowhere, horseman.
Say hello to my liquid things. I'm hardly taking any damage now. This is cool.
Defend yourself, traitor. You underestimate.
Not really, you're underestimating me and my coal armor.
Defend yourself, traitor. You underestimate.
Wonder who you're underestimating me? Me.
Defend yourself, traitor. You underestimate.
There we go.
Yes! What are you waiting for? Harvest this wench! What? Don't you dare walk away from me!
The next sacramentum is mine. I decide when the angel dies, not you.
You swore an oath to me.
Abaddon is the destroyer.
Liar!
To protect you, he kept you from the truth. You pledged to follow your lord into hell, never knowing what awaited you, or what he would become.
Abaddon.
He was betrayed and became the enemy of all creation. I've been to the tree. Its gift was truth, and I share it with you now. Remember the death oath. Soon it must be fulfilled.
It's a harsh truth, but you gotta accept it. Alright, down into the weird realm. And get this piece. Oh, hi there. I knew there was something there before, and there is. It's just I couldn't see it before because of the shadows. Makes sense. Let's walk on here then. Boom boom.
Bravo! The last horse finally crosses the finish line.
Hello.
Prepare for a right royal thrashing. Prepare for a right royal thrashing. Prepare for a right royal thrashing. Justice or healthy. On guard, horsemen. At! Oh, bloody hell! The burning!
There we go. That was close. Yes, yes, guys. Yes, yes. Okay, that was stupid. What the hell? Why is this here? Why is that there? What the hell? You unlock so much new stuff with the shadow, stuff. Lifestone shard. Oh, I can pull on this. Jeez, that was annoying. Soldier.
I'm terribly sorry, but
Oh,
I'll have
God.
to kill you now.
Ha! Dream on.
Prepare for a right royal thrashing. I shall throttle you about the face and ears. And for the love of... I shall throttle you about the face and ears. Justice for filthy. Prepare for a right royal thrashing. On guard, horsemen. Prepare for a right royal thrashing. Oh, bloody hell. The burning!
Wonderful. Now to buy 3 more of those things from Fulgrim. How do I get up here? Oh, maybe it's that. Or not. Oh, maybe it is. And my lost lifestone shop. Got an extra vessel. Oh. Here we go.
My sisters warned me of you.
Yeah, I can tell. Oh, hello. Oh, I get it. I get it. Well, first of all, there's a chest down here. I've noticed that for a while. Where is it? Oh, guess not. It says there is, but I don't know where it is. Alright, last one.
That's it. The last piece of that accursed blade. Now, get back to Ulthane and finish this business.
Alright, don't know where that chest is. But now it's time to go to Anvil's Ford.